Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Friends Update. We're on the boat here on the Rhone, and the boat doesn't even seem like a boat. It's not moving at all. I mean, it's not going up and down and moving like a boat normally does. Here we are in the head of the boat. I'm having a beverage. Let's see if we can guess if my vast viewing audience of tens of viewers can figure out what sort of beverage this is. Except it's not the cheap stuff this time. They don't even have the cheap stuff here. This is, I guess, the front of the boat. I don't know. Maybe it's the back. And we're looking down. This is the lounge where a trio and a singer is getting ready to start. The whole thing is just a huge enterprise. Walk down here through the bar. Most people are eating. I just ate a little bit and ate quickly. Here we have band getting ready to start. And I can see they can play. We have a boutique. Go down here, we see the other decks and everything. It's just very nice. And someone does not wish to be photographed. I see. Here's Sasha, our security guy. And the whole thing is just way too classy for me, I'm afraid. But a fella can be used to this. These people are playing along to the song on the radio. Here we have the ship library, ship bar, and notice it's all prima shit here. Had the Saint Emilion wine. And gosh, the thing looks very, very nice. Very nice. I'm sure that the people on the cruise line, the TAUK, T-A-U-C-K, wouldn't want me to say, give their name. So I will. We've been very satisfied. It's kind of corny, but the crowd is mostly older, so you got to play to your audience. So we'll check back in later with another episode of Vacation Update. Cut.